Welcome to the class, guys. Today we are going to do average. Average is such a topic that every examiner likes to put at least one question from this. All right. So if you do perfectly this chapter, at least you will be able to answer one question. And in some cases, there are 5 to 6 questions per examination or per question papers. You might get up to 5 to 6 questions. So focus on this chapter heavily, and you will reap your benefits. Okay, coming to the class, today we are going to take average. So what is average? Okay, so in mere terms of definition, average is sum of observation. Okay, so if you have been given a group of numbers, so it's sum of observation divided by numbers of observation. So if you are given with a group of number, sum all the given numbers and divide by number of numbers you are being given. For example, to clarify here, so let us take this question. Read this question. It says that find the average of the following set of numbers. All right. So they have given number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 5 they have given number, right? And they are asking what is average of it. So to find the average, let us apply formula. So AVG means average. It's short form. Average is equal to sum of observation. So we are given with these are the observations, these are the numbers. We have to add sum of the numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, divide by number of observations. So total number of observation. How many numbers are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Even through the while counting, it seems like same. I'm repeating the numbers, but I just want to find how many numbers are there. Do we have totally 5 numbers? Okay, 5 numbers are there. So divide by 5. So sum of these above is how much? 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. So 15 divided by 5. So that is how much? Is equal to 3. So average of given set of number is 3. So this is how the concept relies on. All right. So going further, see in this question, try to read this question. All right. Can you see? Okay. So this says that the body weight of 6 boys. They have already given total number of observation. Body weight of 6 boys in is recorded as 54 kg, 64 kg, 75 kg. 1 second. So this is easier for me to read. All right. So 75 kg, 67 kg, and 45 kg, and 97 kg, 91 kg. What is the average body weight of all 6 boys? Fine. Read once more. So now you have to see the question. There are 2 parts of the question. One, the first part they have given what is the data, like the condition. They are trying to find body weight of 6 boys. All right, and they have taken observations of 54, 64, 75, 67, 45, and 91 kgs. Nextly, they asked that what is the average body weight of all the 6 boys. They have taken 6 boys body weight, then they are asking average of all of it. For that means now take down the observation. 54 is there, 54 kg, or you can just write 54. It's fine. 64 is there, 75, 67, 45, finally 91. Fine. All right. So they are asking what is the average. Average they have asked. So average formula applying. Average is equal to sum of numbers, that is 54 plus 64 plus 75 plus 67 plus 45 plus 91. 45 plus 91 whole divided by number of observation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 observation. Obviously, we could have understood from the beginning itself the observation was given as 6 bodies, right? So if you follow the formula, so we have to add sum of these two. How much? 110, 108, 100 and 110, 100, 118, 118. Okay, sum of these two, 130, 145, 142, plus sum of these two, 136. Okay, whole divided by, again divided by 6. If you add further, sum of these three, 100, 100, 100, 300, and 30, 40, and this 1, 4, 3 plus 4 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 16, 9, 3 divided by 6. So you do your own way of calculating it. So further, when we get cancelled it, how much? This 6, 6 6 and 6 6. So 6 6 and 6 6. Fine. So 66 is our average body weight of 6 boys. I hope you understood how we arrived at it, how we differentiated observations and number of observation and sum of observation. Okay, sum of observation, it will come at above part, and number of observation is below. Fine. Going to the next problem. See, we have the question says that question, can you read? Okay. All right. So there are 6 numbers. Okay, these are the given number in which we have here x. In which we have here x. Okay. All right. So of which x is unknown. So obviously they have given x and x is not known. The average of numbers is 60. But here in this case, they did not ask us what is the average of the value or of the series. Instead, they are given average itself, but they are asking one of the observation. So these are the observations. So these are the observations. Okay. So among which one observation is not known, and their demand is to ask. Their demand is to find what is the value of x. Okay. Read the question once more if you are getting it. So for this question, we have to directly apply average formula. So for this one here, average is equal to AVG, average is equal to sum of observation. Those are 30 plus 72 plus 53 plus 68 plus 80 plus x plus 87. All right, whole divided by number of observation. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many here also? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observation are there. All right. So now let us add 30 plus 72, 102, 155, 255, 155 plus adding these two, 140, 155 divided by 6. Right. So it's 200, 310. divided by 6. So is it divisible? 3, 2 3s, 1s, 5s and 5s. So the answer is 155 by 3. Alright. The average of number. What is the value of x? Okay, did we miss any value here? 70 plus 72 plus 53 plus 68 plus 87 is 102. 102 plus 53, 155, right? 60, 140, 155. That is 10. Okay. 300, 310 divided by 6. Number of observations 6. So value of x is, sorry. Sorry. So in this case, I will explain you again. So this question I will explain you again. We made a small mistake where firstly we have to find average. Okay. So average is, we have to apply the formula, average formula. But at the same time they have given us average itself. All right. This average which I am applying, it has the value of 60. It is given. And the sum of observation, we just found out that it is 310 plus x. We left out the x there itself. Right, 310 plus x whole divided by 6. All right. So now, and it is known that this is equal to 60. This is equal to 60. Average is equal to 60. So 310 plus x is equal to 360. 6 into 60 is 360. X is what? 50. So the value of x that was asked in our question is how much? Is equal to 50. All right, fine. Okay, so going to the next question. Read the question. It says that it is asking that find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. All right, they are asking the average. First is to find the average. Second is all the prime numbers between 30 to 50. So in previous classes we have studied in prime numbers and all, where I have asked you to remember prime numbers from 1 to 100. Fine. It's not hard if you are keeping a tab on it, or you have printed it and pasted somewhere, or written it or pasted somewhere and repeatedly revising, you could have got the series easily. So in previous questions, whatever, we were given the series, we were given the observations. All right, from observation we were either deriving the average or a part of a observation like x. In this case we have to find the observation itself. Those observations are all the prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers between 30 and 40, 30 and 50. Between 30 and 50, what are the prime numbers? So let's start with 31. Okay, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, now 37. All right, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So 49 is divisible by how much? 7. 47. Okay, so is 41 divisible by anything? Is it divisible by 3, 7? Nothing. What about 43? It's also not divisible. 47 also it's not divisible. So thus we got the observations. So these are the observations. So find the average. So average is how much? Average is sum of these observations. 31 plus 37 plus 41 plus 43 plus 47. Okay, whole divided by how many observations are there? One, two, three, four, five. Five observations are there. So totally whole divided by 5. Let's add it. 30, 60, 68 plus 40, 109. All right. Sum of these three. Sum of 80, 90 plus 90. Okay. Whole divided by 5. Thus, 199 divided by 5, which comes out to be 3 is 49, 9 is 5 is 9 is 5 9 is 45.8 is the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. I hope now you understood how to derive the observations, then figure out what is average. Fine. Let's go to the next question. Here in this question, they have asked you what is find the average of first 40 natural number. Okay, again here they have not given you any series. You have to find the series itself. In this case, the numbers are very large. Previously we had like 5, 6, 7 numbers at max, but in this case 40 are there. We can't just add from 1 to 40 numbers. Adding just up to 10 itself, it is quite lengthy and cumbersome. So what about up to adding up to 40? It will take too much time and this one. So you have to rely on formulas. So here we have to find observations. Okay, observations. So the number given is 1, 2, 3. Set of, see, average of first 40 natural number. For natural numbers starting from 1, not 0, but just starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Those are natural number. So what is natural number? Natural number is the number set of numbers starting with 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Fine. So they have given 40 natural number. First 40 means it's starting with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 40. So for any set of natural number starting with, obviously starting with 1 and ending with, say, for our convenience, it might have ended with n. So 1 to n is there. One to n is there. Okay. So then, if you want to find the sum of this series, there is a formula. The formula is n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay. So all the natural numbers should be there. N is the last number. Then this formula gives you sum of n. So that means 1, 2, 3 up to n. All right. So this is the formula. So if you apply the same formula here, in this case, if I am applying, what happens? Final number is 40. 40 into 41. 40 plus 41. 40 plus 1 is 41. Whole divided by 2. 2 and 40 get cancelled. So 20. That is 820 is the sum of observation. Is the sum of observation. I just found out the sum of observation. Sum of observation. Okay, we just found out sum of observation. At the same time, what is average? Average is sum of observation. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Number of observation. So we already know that what is the sum of observation? 820 is there. 820. What is number of observation? 40 itself. If you count 1 2 3 4 up to 40, how many are there? 40 itself. So 40 divided by 40, that means get cancelled. So 4 1 divided by 2 is equal to 20.5. So 20.5 is the average of first 40 natural numbers. Okay, now you understood how a different formula came into play to find the average, to find our average. Okay, without this formula you could have not solved it. All right. Okay, adding, if you start adding 1 to up to 40, it will take you next day itself. At the same time, you might have gone wrong in at any point. So always remember this formula. Okay, next. Next question is average of 5 consecutive number A, B, C, D and E is 40. What is the product of A and E? So first we have to understand the question. All right. In this question, you know what is average. Just now we have studied average, a formula, sum of observation divided by number of observations. Second, of 5 consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive number? All right, this you have to understand. Consecutive numbers are numbers, normal consecutive numbers are numbers where it has the difference of 1. I have taken an example where these are consecutive number and its difference is here 1. Difference is 1. Difference is 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. You can also take it series like say 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay. These are also consecutive number. These are 4 consecutive number. Okay, if you add like this one, it will be 5 consecutive number. Its difference is also 1. Difference is also 1. Difference is also 1. Difference is also 1. Okay. So now they have given, they have said that of 5 consecutive numbers A, B, C, D and E, okay, is 40. In this case, first part of the question, they have given average itself of 5 consecutive number. What is the product of A and E? Now we have a imaginary series is there, A, B, C and D is there. If we add and divide by observation, we get the average. Average is already given 48. Okay, so for this reason I cannot just add A, B, C, D. What will get? Nothing, right? So I will consider the series as x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. Why did I stop here? Because we have 5 consecutive, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 are there. What is the difference between these two? 1 itself. What is the difference between here? X and x get cancelled, remaining is 1. Here x and x get cancelled, 2 minus 1 is 1. Here also 1 and here also 1. So now it satisfies the concept of consecutive, that is we have to have a normal series whose each number differentiate with 1. All right, so this is the 5 consecutive number. All right, now again apply the formula of average. So already average is given. Average is equal to 48. Average is given 48. That should be equal to sum of observation, sum of these observation, that is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4. X plus 4 whole divided by how many observations are there? Obviously 5. This is how many x are there? How to count this one? We have 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x and 5x. So 5x, and next 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 divided by 5. Can I take out 5 from each? 5 ones are, 5 twos are. That means x plus 2 is equal to 48. So what is x? X is equal to 46. So is it over? Is our 46 our answer? Obviously no. We just found out the series now. Series is basically a 48 so now we just found out what is the series. Okay, so series will be what? Can you tell me? Series will be, our series will be 46, 46 plus 1, 47, 47 plus 2, 48, 46 plus, so here x is 46 only, so 46 plus 3, 49, 46 plus 4, 50. Fine. This is the series. Now we just found out the series. The question is that what is the product of A and E? So A is the first one and E is the last one. Okay, A is first and E is last. So first and last is so here 46 and 50 is the first and last. So product of A and E, product of A into E is how much? 46 into 50. 46 into 50, that is how much? 0, 6, 6 5s are 30, 5 4s are 20, 23. Thus 2300 is the answer of this question. 2300 is the answer of this question. All right, so I will explain you again. Just keep in mind that you have to repeatedly read the question to get observe what is they are asking. So firstly, the average of 5 consecutive numbers A, B, C, D and E is 48. What is the product of A and E? The first part of the question, that average of 5 consecutive number. What is consecutive number? Any series whose difference is 1. Any series whose difference is 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, 61, 62, 63 is there. Here difference is 1. Okay. So now you understood what is consecutive. But here we are not given with any value of consecutive series. For that reason, what I think that let me take the first number of consecutive as x. So I also know that the difference is 1 1 1. So that's why the difference is, I just made a series like x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4 as difference as 1. X minus x plus 1 is 1. X plus 2 minus x plus 1 is 1. X cancels, 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly for x plus 3 and x plus 4. So I just created a 5 consecutive series. At the same time, they have given average. So average will be 48. They have given average as 48. Average is what? Sum of observation. Sum of observation divided by number of observations. Sum of observation, we found it, the value is 5x plus 10 divided by 5. So from which we got x value as 46. From this x value, we found out the series. Series was 5 consecutive series was 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Later we we were asked that what is the product of A and E. So A and E, they are asking what is this product, from which we found that from the series A was the first and E was the last. 46 into 50, that was 2300. I hope you understood this one. In the next class we are going to take some more problems, and these problems will be subjective based problems. Practice a lot before coming to the next class. All right, thank you.